Pointing. Pointing, definition. Finishing of mortar joints in masonry. Exposed joints are weakest parts and needs weather protection. It also improves appearance. Pointing, tips. Joints to be raked to a depth of 10 to 20 mm. Clean surface with the help of wire brush. Joints to be wetted properly for proper sticking of new mortar. Perform curing for 10 days. Mortar used should be rich mix and pressed properly. Pointing, types. Types of pointing. Flush pointing. Key door grooved pointing. Recessed pointing. Weathered pointing. V-pointing or bucket handle. Beaded pointing. Tuck pointing. Struck pointing. Flush pointing. The pointing may be level as in flush pointing, which is made by wiping over the finished pointing with a trowel or piece of rough cloth. Key door grooved pointing. In this type mortar is first up flush with the face of wall. A semicircular notch is formed by a tool known as pointer. Recessed pointing. Recessed joints are not suitable for buildings in exposed situations because they do not readily shed water. This is done by pressing mortar back from edges by 5 mm or more. Weathered pointing. V-shaped projections are made. V-pointing or bucket handle. Formed by forming a V-groove. Beaded pointing. Formed by steel or iron edge. Tuck pointing. Groove of 5 mm width and 3 mm depth is prepared. It is filled with white cement or putty. Struck pointing. Face of pointing is kept inclined. Upper edge pressed and side face by 10 mm.